Because we know so many here in the Portland metro area are still trying to cool off from this week's heat wave. Some are having to overcome obstacles with their landlords when it comes to just having air conditioning.
Well, Jamie Seymour joins us tonight looking into renters' rights when it comes to getting their own units installed. What's this about, Jamie?
Now, earlier this year, there was a law passed that allows renters the right to air conditioning, but some landlords are still fighting it through fines and notices. Sunny Sidman has lived in her apartment in Tigard for about a year, but this was the first week she's needed to break out her window air conditioning unit, only for her complex to push back.
They sent that email saying that in-window units were not allowed, and that made me really angry because we were going into a heat wave.
She didn't name the property, but says the notice went on to threaten a $50 fine. Sidman contacted a tenants' rights attorney to ask if it was legal, only to learn earlier this year the Oregon State Legislature passed Senate Bill 1536, protecting renters' rights to AC following last year's heat dome. She then shared the concerns with the property.
And the next day, they sent an email and said that they were clarifying their policy, which really was changing their policy to say that the window units are allowed now.
Local attorney Troy Pickard deals with tenants' rights and says he's already seen a lot of landlords not know about the new law.
Now is when landlords are seeing the air conditioners, so now is when landlords are trying to enforce their rules.
Pickard says the law does allow some instances where window units can't be installed, but it's best to see what your rental agreement is and read up on the law.
A landlord could say, you can't use an air conditioner if it overloads the building's electrical systems.
Sidman hopes fellow renters will also learn about their rights, especially as the heat continues.
There's not the expectation that landlords are even going to install air conditioning in these units, but tenants who purchase their own units should be allowed to use them.
Now, Pickard added, if you still are confused after going through your rental agreement and the Senate bill, you can ask a lawyer that specializes in landlord-tenant issues or even go to an organization like Community Alliance of Tenants for help. Back to you.
All right, Jamie, very helpful information. Thank you.